Hello, everybody. In lesson 7.4, we're going to work on showing the same amount of money in different ways with different coins. Okay, so let me read you a problem and you draw a picture of the coins that would equal that amount. Okay, there's no right or wrong way to do this. Okay, it just says as long as the coins add up to the value I give you. All right, so using your coins, okay, your play coins, I want you to show a way to make 27 cents. Show a way to make 27 cents. Okay. All right. So I could have a quarter and 2 pennies. Okay. So that's one way. Somebody might have had 2 dimes, a nickel, and 2 pennies. 10, 20, 25, 26, 27. So 2 dimes, a nickel, and 2 pennies. Somebody might have had 5 nickels, 5 nickels, and 2 pennies. Okay. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27. Maybe somebody had a dime and 3 nickels. That also would be 27. 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27. Okay. And then maybe somebody just had 27 pennies and so on. Okay, so there's many multiple ways of doing this. Okay, you could have had 2 nickels and 17 pennies, so on. Okay, we just need a total of 27. All right, so here's another one. Try it. Try to come up with a different ways to come up with 51 cents. 51 cents. All right. Well, the quickest way to get to 51 cents with quarters, nickels, dimes, and pennies is 2 quarters and a penny. 51 cents. Okay. All right, so that's 51 cents. Another way, we could have had just all dimes and a penny. So 5 dimes and a penny. 10, 20, 30, 40, 51. Okay, 51. You could have had all nickels and a penny. That would be 10 nickels. There's 25, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So we would also need 5 more for another quarter. Sorry, one drop on the floor. Okay, so that's 50, and then another penny. Okay. I'm not going to draw this one out. Okay, so, but 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 51. Okay, we use a quarter, a dime, 35, 45, 50, 51. Okay, I'll draw that one and then I'm going to move on. 25, 35, 45, 50, 51. Okay, so many different ways. of making the same value using different coins. All right, so page 358. Here are two ways to show 30 cents. Count the cents. Start with the dimes. Okay, so 10, 20, 25, 30. So that's a quarter, and 25, and another 5 would be 30 cents. So then they're saying, okay, well, if that's a quarter, or 25 cents, trade it for a quarter. So a quarter and a nickel is the same as this. All right, so let's see. Show the amount in two ways, draw and label the coins. 61 cents. So 10, 20, 30, 30 and 25, that's 55, 60, 61. Okay, so we can go backwards here. 25, 35, 45, 55, 60, 61. But now let's look here. That's another quarter, right? 10, 20, 25. So 61 can also be 2 quarters, a dime, and a penny. 25, 50, 61. Okay. And again, there's multiple ways to show this. You just have to have 61 cents. All right, so 36 cents. 36 cents. Well, I could have 3 dimes. That's 30 cents. I could have 6 pennies. 10, 20, 30, 35, 36. Okay, again, I see 10, 20, 25. So I could trade that 25 cents for a quarter and keep everything else the same. 25, 35, 36. Okay. So we took this 25 and replaced it. 25, 35, 36. All right. So again, as long as the value of the coins comes up to 36 cents, it's an appropriate method. All right, page 359. 55 cents. Well, the quickest way to get to 55 cents is 2 quarters and a nickel. Okay, 25, 50, 55. All right, we could let's start with a quarter, and let's count forward by tens. 25, 35, 45, 55. Okay, so that's 2 ways right there. Another way, we could have a quarter, 2 nickels, and 2 dimes. Okay. We have 25 cents, a quarter, and 4 nickels, and a dime, so on. So many ways. 90 cents. Well, let's see. 25 cents and 25 cents, that's 50 cents. A third quarter, 75 cents, 75, 85, 90, 90 cents right there. I could have the 2 quarters, right? That's 50 cents. And then I could have 4 dimes, 60, 70, 80, 90, 75 cents. The easiest way, 3 quarters. Another way, 2 quarters, 50 cents, right? And how can we make 25? We need a third 25. Well, I could use 2 dimes. That's 20 cents, and I need a nickel. Okay. 25, 50, 60, 70, 75. Okay. Teresa has 42 cents. She has no dimes. Draw to show what coins she might have. No dimes. She has 42 cents. Okay. So if I start with 25 cents, I can't use 10, but I can use 5. Okay, so now we're at 30, 35, 40, 25, 30, 35, 40, and then I would need 2 pennies, right? 41, 42. So that's one way. Again, this isn't the only way. I could have all nickels and 2 pennies. I could trade some of these nickels for more pennies. Okay, so on. All right, let's go to page 360. Use coins to solve. Lee buys a pen for 50 cents. Draw coins to show 2 different ways to pay 50 cents. So what's the quickest and easiest way to get 50 cents? 25, 2 quarters, right? All right. Another one will be just 5 dimes. 5 tens is 50. Okay. Again, these are my 2 ways, but as long as your amount comes up to 50 cents, it'll work. Number 8. Delia used 4 coins to buy a book for 40 cents. Draw coins to show 2 ways to pay 40 cents with 4 coins. Well, the easiest way to pay 40 cents is just to have 4 dimes. Okay? Now, let's see. If I have 25, 30, 35, 40, that would be 4 coins. Okay, so I'm going to use that. 25 cents and then 3 nickels. Because if I use 25 cents and a dime, that would only be 3 coins. Okay, all right. And the last one. Fill in the bubble next to all the groups of coins with a total value of 30 cents. 6 dimes. That's 6 tens, right? 6 tens equals 60 cents. So that doesn't work. A quarter and a nickel. A quarter is 25 cents and a nickel is 5 cents. 25, 30. Okay, so that works. 2 nickels and 2 dimes. Let's start with the 2 dime. 10, 20, and then 2 nickels. 10, 20, 25, 30. Okay, that works. 3 nickels and 5 pennies. 3 nickels, 5 cents, 5 cents, 5 cents, and then 5 pennies. Five, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so that doesn't add up to 30. All right, so these are the only 2 possibilities that would add up to 30. Okay, so that's it for 7.4, showing different values of coins in different ways. So until our next lesson, I will see you soon.